Hello everyone. In this video we're going to see a lab experiment to understand the difference between the exothermic and endothermic reaction. Just to remind you, exothermic that produce energy and the endothermic that takes energy from the environment. I want you to look carefully at this experiment. I want you to write a lab report about this experiment. What are the tools are used? What is the procedure to do this experiment? What are the observations? Then you have to write the conclusion. Listen carefully and be ready to make the scientific report, and you have to send me your lab report. It's very important, this experiment very important to understand the exothermic and endothermic reaction. Listen carefully. They used vinegar. They measured the temperature by using thermometer. Before the reaction, the temperature was 22.4. Then they took the mass by using a balance. Of baking soda. They added baking soda to vinegar. They measured the temperature. After the reaction, it was 17.4. So let's say just it didn't stop yet. It's like 17 after the reaction. What does that mean? They added this here to the vinegar. Also, they measured the temperature. They measure after 22.3. You have to know which one exothermic, which one endothermic, and you can do this experiment at your home. If you have thermometer and you have a balance, you can use these things at your home. Here it's with vinegar, guys. Now look at the temperature after the reaction. Wait. Look how the temperature has been increased, which means exothermic or endothermic. You have to tell. When the temperature after the reaction increase, what is it? When it decrease, what is it? You can do this experiment at home, and you can send me your experiment, your video of your experiment. So this is all about the endothermic and exothermic experiment. You can do it, you can make the lab report. If you still have a question about any of this experiment, you can send me your question. And you have to know and differentiate between endothermic and exothermic as a reaction. If you still have a question about them, you can send me your question. Thank you for listening.